basically you set nominal codes up in your accounting system manager area. In the settings area, this is an area where you set up all the different analysis codes. So in here, you can see on the list, I've got region. Obviously, we can't really go through all the steps to how to create all that, but the F1 help does give you assistance on that. But maintain analysis codes in nominal ledger is where you select in here which of those analysis codes you're going to be using for nominal ledger. So I can put like analysis code 1 in there, for example, because that's what I've called it. I can change the name if I wanted to in here. So then if we go into here and I'll select the code, which is the right code, I can then go through, and if there's any values I've got against it, I can go through and select the details against my analysis code.